Let me put my comment and topic. I'm not going to be on here long. This is actually later, right? A later live than what I usually do. And if I look fatigued, it's not a look. I really am. I really am. But hey, it's a fatigue of success. Let me see, can I go live on YouTube? Wow, it's building up my audience. Let me see if I can go live on YouTube. I can say I'm so happy of the accomplishments. Everyone that I know that emailed me the correct username and password, as of right now, they have their credit analysis. So let me say this about your username and password, because I did make a change, did make a switch, and now you do not have to email me your PDF, right? You don't have to email me the PDF of your credit report, but you do have to send me your username and your password. Now, in doing that, please don't have a complicated username and password, right? Okay, I just got an email. Don't have a complicated password. Please make your password as easy to access as possible, right? Make that password as easy to access as possible. So let me log onto YouTube. And the topic is why credit is more powerful than cash, right? Now, let me log. Why credit is more powerful than cash. So if you're logging on Facebook, make sure that you hit the notification button every time I go live. I know it's a little late, but you know, I have some people that's gonna watch the replay. I don't think I want to go live tomorrow, so I decided to go ahead and do this live tonight. I think I'm gonna just get some rest, and let me smile for this thumbnail. Get some rest, and then I'm going to probably take the weekend off. So I'm gonna make this a real quick video, right? And I hope that I get some people to watch the replay on tomorrow. Let me set up for YouTube, then we'll be ready to roll. So I'm going to use the example of hold on, YouTube, I got this, trying to put this into my break. I'm going to use an example, right, of chess game. So of a chess game. So just roll with me, roll with the scenario. It's going to be clear. Hello, Tamika, Miss Johnson, how are you? I'm tired. I did a lot of analysis today, credit analysis, and this is just a reminder. Please, if you send me your credit analysis, right? If you send that credit analysis, make your username and password as user-friendly for me as possible. I take it. Thank you for the thumbs up. I need it tonight. Thank you for the digital love. Thank you so much, YouTube. And make it as easy as possible for me to access your credit report, because I've taken all of the heavy lifting out where you don't have to send me your PDF. I just need your login information. Hello, Ms. Ransom. I just emailed you your credit analysis. Another thing with that credit analysis, the first 2, 3, 4 pages probably be just information, credit education, right? Just credit education. So make sure you stroll all the way down your credit analysis report. It's going to break down anything negative, derogatory that you may have, whether it's a bankruptcy, collections, charge off, inquiries, right? Late payment. So make sure when you look at that report that I will send back to you in PDF format, that you stroll all the way down, because the first 3, 4 pages is really just going to have a lot of information about credit that is very helpful to you to read also. All right, so quick into it. All right, I have a chessboard set up, so I'm going to reverse my cameras. Just know I don't play chess. Hello. You gotta show me some digital love. I'm a little fatigued and it's late. Just know I don't play chess. Hello, Antonio. How are you? I see you on Instagram a lot, Antonio. So glad to. Hello, Instagram. I got Jessica Super Cheer in the house on my IG. So I'm on IG, Facebook, and YouTube live all at the same time. So you all give me some digital love, show me some hearts, help me push through this, because I said I was going to do this live, and I am. But I'm going to show you how to play this financial game and why credit is your foundation, right? Also, I'm just waiting on the statement to come in the mail for this month. I'm going to show you how. Thank you, Instagram, for the digital love. And I also got the digital love from Instagram from the color shirt that I'm wearing. I got a gold heart. I got a gold heart on Instagram. I'm also going to show you how my home mortgage, I'm just waiting on the next statement for August to come in so I can show you the visuals. Went from $1,356 a month to $1,054. That's $302 of cash flow, right? How my student loans went from $160 a month, right, to $0 a month, but it still counts as a payment. It's counting as a payment for my debt. So I'm not just talking about credit strategies, I'm talking about cash flow strategies as well. But I'm going to show you why credit is more powerful than cash, right? So you're talking about $600 right there. This is chess, is not checkers, of extra cash flow freed up. And then some more strategy, but I'm not going to get in detail tonight. So let me show you why credit is queen, and why Queen Bee, is the most important, powerful piece in your financial game plan, right? Why credit is queen, but it's the most important financial piece in your financial game plan. So let me change my my camera view. Let me flip this over. Hopefully I can get all of the excuse my fingerprint, all of the chessboard in. And I'm a school teacher as well, so I like visuals, I like storytelling, I like where people can see things applicable and they can relate. So if you're on Instagram, let me know if you all can see. I'm gonna position this back. See this chessboard. Instagram. Let me try to prop this up for you just a little bit more, so my Instagram audience can see this as well, right? And then I'm signing off. Not gonna be out long. No, that makes it worse. IG. Not gonna be on here long, but let me make this demonstration. So let me get Instagram set up, Facebook and YouTube. And so yeah, hold up. Okay, there we go. IG, there we go. So this is the queen. I'm gonna remove all of the things. Now, if either you all are chess players, right? And I have my pieces wrong, you just gonna have to forgive me, right? I'm not a chess player. Let me move all these pieces out of the way. We're gonna put the queen right here in the center of the board, right? We're gonna put the queen right there. I'm gonna move everything else. I do know this about chess, and I have to reposition this, right? My daughter know how to play, so that's why I have it here. So we have what we call in chess, and I might not have these parts right, but we have what we call the the rook and the bishop, right? The rook and the bishop. So just stay with me, stay tuned. This is all going to make perfect sense to you. You all let me know. Show me some digital love. Let me know if you all can see the board. We have the rook and the bishops. Now, the rook and the bishops. What happens here is the queen out of the center is not the most important. Thank you for, oh my God, Instagram showing me so much digital love. Thank you so much. The queen is the center of the piece. Not the most important, right? Everybody say cash is king, but the most powerful. And let me show you why this is important. Not the most important, but the most powerful. So the queen can move sideways, right? She can move front, up and down, front, back. Or she can move diagonal, remove the rook, right? Move diagonal this way on the board, remove the bishop. But the bishop and the rook empowers the king to have more power, right? She can move diagonal this way on the board, diagonal this way on the board. Now, if the rook is not in that line, the queen cannot knock out the rook, right? But she can move up on this line. The queen is the only piece on the board, people, that can move sideways, diagonal, all directions, up, down, front, and back. So what does this have to do with your finances? Let me flip this screen again so you all can see the queen of credit. What does this have to do with your finances? Why does it relates to your financial situation? Well, this is how credit works. Come on, Nails. Trying to flip it over. YouTube. Hold on. You all see my, okay, there we go. You all see my DeLoach wine. So how does this work? There we go. In your financial game plan, right? You can see my live on. How does this work in your financial game plan? When you have your credit in order, you can move so many different pieces in your life than just having one option. Like for me, for example, one of the ways that I got my mortgage from $1,356 a month to $1,054 a month. Thank you, Facebook, for the digital love. Was I refinanced my home on, thank you, Instagram. I love Instagram because it's so many different colors hard. I got my mortgage to a balance that I no longer have to pay my PMI insurance, the private mortgage insurance. Once that private mortgage insurance was freed up, that was like $100 a month, right? And I used a concept called velocity banking. I used my credit cards at 0% interest, and I dumped it on the balance of my mortgage, right? Without credit and finances, hello, king, babe, hello. Without my credit in place like that queen, I can't make that move. So if you're just joining in, you need to watch the beginning of this video because I showed you all how the queen in chess, right? This is chess, not checkers, is able to move sideways, front, back, and diagonal, right, on the chessboard. The king is not able to do that. So even as cash is king, it does not give you the options that credit does, right? Credit gives you the options to pay down any mortgage in 5 to 7 years. Credit gives you the options to get business credit cards at $20,000, $25,000, whether you're trying to build a nonprofit, whether you're baking, whether you're doing landscaping, whether you're doing transportation, whether you're barbecuing, whether you have a pest control services, whatever your niche is, whatever your talent is, the Bible says your gift, your talent will make room for you. Credit will give you the money, the capital to fund that vision, right? It will allow you to use other people's money, which is the bank money, and substitute for money that you may not be earning on your job or you otherwise would not have access to. If it takes you, for example, 5 or 10 years to save $25,000, one chess move with your credit can get you access to $25,000 in 15 to 30 days. If your credit score is like a 720 and you don't have any negatives on your credit report. The beautiful thing about that is business credit, meaning that it will not, some business credit cards, and I know the ones to apply for, cannot show up on your personal credit report, right? Also, with your personal credit card, 0% interest rate, not only can you pay down any mortgage in 5 to 7 years by using credit, right? You can get lower interest rate. Like I said, my homeowner's insurance on my house went from $2,000 a year. Thank you for the digital love, all the way to $1,000, because when my credit score hit 823, I called and got a different premium. I have 4 vehicles. I'm also getting the lowest premium on all 4 of my vehicles for the insurance, right? So it's so many different moves, so many different strategies that you can do to use credit to become financially free. You can get a home like at 3.75% interest rate or lower. You can get the home, your dream home. You can get that vehicle. They have vehicles now that you can get financed at 1.9% interest rate. Why would you use your own cash to buy a vehicle when you can, unless it's like under $5,000, $6,000, $7,000? Thank you, Miss Ramsey. When you when you can get use somebody else's money to buy a quality vehicle that you may want to last you for 5 to 7 years for 1.9% interest rate. Also, I know how to challenge and dispute debt collectors or discharge debt from collection agencies. So many people were paying thousands of dollars to file bankruptcy because they may have a medical collection or regular collection, or they have credit cards that's in bankruptcy, or they need charge. Maybe the credit card has went to a charge off, and you've been sent a 1099 in the mail where they're asking you to claim that as income, right? There's ways through my tax partner, if you qualify, that you won't be taxed on that charge off, and the charge off by credit can be removed off of your credit report. So that's another strategy where people are not filing bankruptcy now because I'm disputing their collections and medical collections within 30 days, right? And the collectors don't have all the documents that they need in place to collect from them. So hey, that's why use your credit, right, to either help fund your dreams, whatever is business or your side hustle, to help you get a house and pay it down in 5 to 7 years, to help you get other people or the bank money at 0% interest rate. I think my battery is going low on YouTube, so I'm going to end that. So use credit. This is chess, not checkers. And I'm signing off. It's getting a little late in the night. Thank you all for tuning in. I know some more people will probably watch tomorrow morning. Let me plug this up because my battery is going down. But that's all I wanted to demonstrate. I said I was going to go live to do that, and I decided to take out a couple of minutes to do it. So also your credit analysis, just know, ask Miss Ransom on Facebook. You get a very in-depth breakdown of your credit. It's more efficient. And then I will quote you, prices. Is very laser focused of exactly what you need to get into this 700 credit score club or above, so you can start using credit to free up your finances, and you can free up thousands of dollars of cash flow like I have through the foundation, through the use of credit. So if you didn't watch the beginning of this video, you need to watch my demonstration on the chess board of how credit is chess, it's not checkers, and you need to use credit as your foundation to play in this financial game that we call life, to get your life in a better financial situation. So hey, all you have to do now for the credit analysis, also know that I'm accepting payment by PayPal now, not Cash App. My Cash App was getting so much business that it crashed. So if you're watching one of my older videos and you see the Cash App payment is PayPal, now it's paypal.me/LaTanya DeLoach, and it's all A's, LaTanya D as in Danny, ELOACH. I put it in the description. Get your $30 credit analysis. Also, if you need W4 wealth strategies training, that was an additional $500 a month coming out of my paycheck through my W4 wealth training strategies, right, for $19.99. So hey, you all have a terrific Thursday. Make sure you share this video. Thank you for the hearts on Instagram. Thank you for the hearts on Facebook. I'm signing off. Have a great night. Queen of Credit. See you all soon.